Hi, my name is Joel, and today we'll take a look at solving another puzzle. The first thing I notice is that our pawn, which is on B2, is very close to promotion. The next thing I notice is that, again, the first thing that we're always supposed to notice is checks, right? I notice that I have an immediate check, right? An immediate check on H1. The next thing that I also notice is that I can take this rook, right? But is that really beneficial? Not really, right? Because I mean the queen just recaptures, right? The enemy queen just recaptures, right? Uh, Next thing I notice is I can sacrifice my rook, right? What does that mean? How does that help, right? Well, when I sacrifice my rook, that's a check, right? The king is forced to take. When the king is forced to take, they end up wasting a move. When they waste a move, I have the opportunity to promote my pawn. What does promotion mean? It's when you push the pawn to the enemy's last rank, right? So in our opponent's case, it's the first rank, right? And in our case, it would be the eighth rank. So the first thing that I notice is let's sacrifice the rook, right? When we sacrifice the rook, the opponent will have to take uh, our rook. This gives us the opportunity to promote our pawn, and that gives us a check, right? But obviously the opponent's going to move away. I also notice is that the next thing that I notice is that I can win this rook, right? And yeah, that way we're simply up a pawn, and not only are we up a pawn, we're up a rook as well, right? We were up a pawn, and then that became a queen due to promotion. So yeah, we're up a rook, and we're simply winning this end game, right? We just have to find kind of like a mating pattern as such or something along those lines. So I hope you guys understood the concept of promotion, which is what we covered in this lecture. Thank you.